Alright friends, welcome again from mycoachinghub.com. So what exactly are we going to talk about today? We will cover a very basic concept called percentages. Okay, percentages आप सबने पहले पढ़ा होगा, आपको मालूम होगा कुछ ना कुछ इसके बारे में. लेकिन what special we are going to talk about percentages is, all of you know that for quant what you need the most is speed along with accuracy. But we also know that both of them are in a way inversely proportional. The higher your speed, the less will be your accuracy, and the less your speed, the higher will be accuracy, and higher the speed, lesser can be your accuracy. So how do you tackle both of these? In such kind of questions, percentages can be really very handy for you. Okay. Now the concept of percentages, it means that we are calculating something out of 100. It is per and cent. So percent. Cent refers to 100, which is why percentages when we calculate them out of 100. Now, before we start, let us just be as quick as possible with respect to our calculations. तो हमें जो basic calculations करनी है, वो हमें करनी है say 1/2 say up to 1/25, and we should be as thorough and as quick as possible by memorizing all this. तो हमें ये सब याद करना पड़ेगा कि 1/2 का मीनिंग कितना परसेंट होता है, 1/25 मीनिंग कितना परसेंट होता है, etc. etc. So we know 1/2. How do you convert a fraction into a percent? We do it by multiplying that by 100. This becomes 100/2, which is equal to 50%. So we know 1/2 is equal to 50%. Okay, but how do we progress with the rest of the numbers? So we need to memorize, and now let us just quickly write down what it means. The other way to look at it is कि अगर कहीं पर आपको दिया है 50% of anything, उसका मीनिंग है कि आपको उस नंबर का हाफ कर देना है. So if you have to find 50% of say 900, which means 900 का आप हाफ कर देंगे, which is equal to 450. So it becomes really quick. If you know the inverse relation, so सिर्फ यही नहीं कि 1/3 is equal to 33.33%. आपको ये भी याद रखना पड़ेगा कि 33.33% means 1/3. Okay, so I will just write down all these percentages over here, and then you need to make a note of that and then memorize the thing. Okay, so let us start by 1/2. I'm just writing here 3, 4, etc. Just understand that this means 1/4, etc. Okay. Now let us see इनमें से किसका आंसर हमें बहुत ही क्विकली आता है. So 1/2 we know 50%, 1/3 is 33.33%, 1/4 is equal to 25, 1/5 is equal to 20%. Okay. We also know 1/9 is equal to 11.11%, क्योंकि अगर आप किसी भी नंबर को 9 से डिवाइड करते हो तो वो नंबर उतने ही टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई उतने ही टाइम्स मल्टीपल टाइम्स नोट किया जाता है. 1/10 we know 10%, 1/20 we know 5%, और आपको आता है इनमें से किसी का आंसर बड़ी जल्दी से 1/11 also will be 9.99%. ओके, अब ये सब जो है ये आपको बड़ी आसानी से आता है. Am I correct or am I wrong? Now how do we find the rest of them? क्या ये इजी है, क्या ये मुश्किल है, क्या हमें इसे कैसे करना है, ये आप देखते हैं. 1/7 also you might know because that is equal to 14.28%. ओके, अब बाकी का हम देखते हैं हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं. This 1/11 is 9.09%. It is not 9.99. It is 9.09%. So let us see 1/6. अब अगर हमने इसको 13.33 लगाया, इसी को अगर हम 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो ये 1/6. So 1 by 6, this is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, which means 33.33 को you divide that by 2. So the number that you are going to get is 16.666. Okay. इसी तरह से अगर हम 1 by 4 को 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं, so we get 1 by 8, which means 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4 by 2. I am telling you this because बहुत बारी क्या होता है कि हमें 1 by 4 तो मालूम है, बट हम 1 by 8 भूल जाते हैं और फिर हम नॉर्मल तरीके से मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, which we need to avoid. So अगर आपको किसी भी लेवल, किसी भी नंबर का फ्रैक्शन का परसेंटेज मालूम है, तो आप उससे एक बड़े नंबर का भी फ्रैक्शन कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. So this is 1 by 4 by 2, which is equal to 12.50. 25 by 2 will give you 12.50. Now 1 by 12. अभी हमें 1 by 6 पता चल गया, उसको अभी हमें 2 से डिवाइड कर देना है. तो 1 by 2 पता चल गया आपका कि this will be 8.333. Okay. Now 1 by 13, what does it mean? 1 by 13 is equal to 7.69%. 1 by 14 आपका 1 by 7 मालूम है, इसको आप 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे, it is equal to 7.14. That is also easy. 1 by 15 अगर है, तो आपको 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by 5 into 1 by 3. अगर आप ऐसे करते हैं, तो 20 को अगर आप 3 से डिवाइड करते हैं, तो आपको कितना मिलेगा? आपको मिलेगा 6.66. ठीक है. 1 by 16, अभी हमें 1 by 16 है, तो 1 by 8 को इसको आप 4 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए, which is equal to 6.25. That is also very easy. अगर आपको 1 by 17 निकालना है, तो there will be a fixed number, और वो नंबर आपका होता है, these three you going to tell me. They are not difficult, they are for you to just remember, memorize and then come back. Okay. So this is how we do it. We just calculate it as per the percentages.